Hello, this is Hensi Thakkar and you're welcome to the CSR Journal's Evening Bulletin. Russian President Vladimir Putin has arrived in India. His visit begins today with a private dinner hosted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at his residence in New Delhi. This marks the start of a two-day visit where the leaders will discuss strengthening ties between the two nations. Tomorrow, they will hold formal talks and engage with business leaders ahead of a state banquet hosted by the president. Indigo Airlines is facing major disruptions. More than 200 flights have been cancelled across key cities including Delhi, Mumbai and Bengaluru. These cancellations come amid crew shortages and technical glitches causing headaches for thousands of passengers. The aviation regulator has summoned Indigo's top officials to explain the situation and lay out a plan to fix the chaos. In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court of India has ruled that in the case of divorce, gifts given by the bride's parents to the groom must be returned to the bride. This judgment aims to address patriarchal biases and uphold the dignity and financial protection of women, particularly applying to Muslim marriages under the 1986 Act. In Haryana, a chilling case has emerged involving a woman accused of being a serial killer. The woman has confessed to murdering 4 children over the past 2 years, targeting those she considered more attractive, including her own son. This case came to light after the recent death of a 6-year-old girl found drowned in Panipat. The accused has been arrested and sent to jail. South Africa has won the second ODI against India in Raipur by 4 wickets, levelling the series 1-1. India had set a target of 358 runs powered by centuries from Virat Kohli and Ruturaj Gaikwad, but South Africa successfully chased it down, finishing at 362 for 6 wickets with a key century from Aiden Markram. That's all for this episode of Evening Bulletin. Follow the CSR Journal for more such updates.